What's up, online shoppers? I've got a really great little sewing kit for adults and beginners. It's a handy little kit to have around. So let's unbox it and see what's inside. Now this one here is by Artika, and I love that it has this really great little case. This case is super handy because what you need is inside the case. This is a great little case. It's got a really nice zipper that goes all the way around, so everything is really well contained. I really like that. I think that's a great feature. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Now inside you have just about anything you could possibly need to sew in an emergency situation. There's a great color selection of threads here, and something that's really nice, they are all held in place by this little elastic band. So you're not gonna open this up and stuff is gonna come tumbling out. You open it up and you have everything really nicely kept in order. Now over on this side, you have a ton of super useful tools. You have a little crochet hook. If I get a pull on my sweater, I use a crochet hook to pull it through and then knot it on the other side. There's a marking pencil so that if you have to do any cutting or trimming, you can do a line with that. You've got this super cute little measuring tape right here. There is a stitch ripper and a darning needle as well. There's also these really nice little clips that you can use for edging and for putting on a hem. A great little set of scissors here, a thimble, and even a magnifying glass. In here, you get a really great selection. There are 30 different sizes for different applications. And also, you get a really nice little fan of pins so that if you're hemming anything, you've got these really nice colorful pins, and they have such a nice handle on them. This little bob at the end of the pin makes it really easy to operate and move around. And then you've got this great storage fan for them after you are done. I love what I see out of this box. You also have some pins, a needle threader, and some buttons. This is great for those emergency situations when you get a pull in your sweater, you get a hole in your sock, you pop a button off your shirt. Always nice to have this, and I think this is going to be a wonderful addition to my car. I'm going to put this in my car so that if I ever have a situation where I need something, I've got this really great little emergency sewing kit. I love how it zips up like this. You can't forget what it is because it tells you right here, you can sew simply. This is a great little sewing kit. I'm really pleased with it, and I'm pretty sure this is going to be a family favorite at my house.